she's the squeaky. Ooh. Yeah, boy. Hi Snakies, it's me, Fifi, and I'm back again today. Go away notification on my laptop. I'm back again today with a reaction to a brand new group, brand new for me and pretty fresh for you as well. Today I'm going to be checking out BADVILLAIN. Now I had so many requests for BADVILLAIN. I just feel like I need to emphasize, guys, just bear with me. I was on vacation for 2 weeks and you were flooding like in the comment sections of videos of reactions that have nothing to do with this group. It's very annoying when I go to the comment section, I want to reply and interact with people on a specific song, group or comeback, and there's just like requests for other groups. Just bear with me, like bear with me a minute. If there's a group that's just debuted, I'm most likely going to check it out. Always head on over to my community posts where I post my schedules. If you think maybe I haven't heard of a group debuting or something like that, leave a comment on there. Don't spam all my other videos, please. It's a bit annoying. But anyway, BADVILLAIN. I'm gonna be checking out, I was just gonna check out one MV during like a girl group catch-up video. However, I've decided to do all 4 videos that they've released. So I'm gonna be doing BADVILLAIN MV, BADTITUDE MV, and then 2 performance videos, which are Hurricane and Plus 82. Now I know nothing about this group, what genre, what vibe they're gonna go for. But yeah, super excited. Let's just go.
Disclaimer, I don't like to react with captions on as I find them distracting. I like to concentrate on the music, and the music production is what I like to comment on the most. When I'm looking at the words at the bottom of the screen, I'm missing parts of the song, their vocals, and I'm missing parts of the MV and choreo. I'll read the lyrics later in my own time.
Okay guys, let's go. BADVILLAIN. I'm gonna be watching all 4 of these in one go, and then I'll talk about them all after. Let's go. We're starting with BADVILLAIN though. I think this is like the main title track. Ooh. Very villainous already. Boom, boom, boom. Did you say you got BVs? Bacterial. Let me just not say it. Wow, very cool. It's a rap heavy group. Strings. There we go with instrumental. Love the beat switch up. Whoa. The instrumentation on this is fantastic. The classical vibes, the orchestral vibes, the strings and the piano. Very cool. Wow. They seem like a very performance-y type of group. I love that. That was very cool.
Villain.
Oh.
Villain.
Ooh, one, they're very talented. Two, I'll just pause it just for 2 seconds. Very, very talented. Not a song that I choose to put on and listen to, but the production was absolutely fantastic. The instrumentation, the use of all the different instruments with the hip hop type beat always blows my mind. I always call this type of music big brain music. Like, super talented. What else? They seem like more like a performance-y type of group, like the type of group you definitely need to see live, and you definitely need to see like their live performances to get the full vibe of the group. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, let's carry on. Very hip-hop oriented. Love that. Is she the squeaky voice? Yeah, I think she's the squeaky. Ooh. I feel like this one's a bit more my vibe. That, all the layers. That is very cool. Yeah, they are killing these choreos. I love this MV as well, by the way, the visuals. Like, I wish now we had some like chords coming. Just like a little synth, like a little burst, like just a little something. This is fantastic. Okay, it's given Pharrell and Snoop. Giving that a little bit. I just wish there was just a nice little chord. Do you know what I mean? Just one little chord. Yeah, they're very hip hop bass. I'm here for it.
Yeah. 말보단 행동, 셰프가 맥도 I take off. 내번에 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo. Crown taker, coming out the underground savior. 같은 리가 너와 나의 정체성. Katrina became 돌아버리겠어. 빙글빙글 smile, we gonna rock. 뒤에서 너라가 아무나 와.
Wow.
원하무나 터어리스 너네 다 보이지? You think I'm stupid? 눈에 불이 켰어 cell phone. 걔네님이 졌어 cell phone. 기도 전에 I could trust on my bros. 눈비다가 다쳐 빨리 포기해. 너네 my flag red black ocean. My plans 전망이 sunshine. My backup 쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리 선상. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different like alien. 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야. Talking all the BS who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기는 money dynamite. Up and I'm a dynamite drop. On the screen, on the scene, all the screaming.
See? Yeah. Those harmonies, I need another layer. I need a little something. I'm scared. It's not the end of the song already, is it? Oh. Okay, well I will
Right
be
now,
listening to
children in Gaza worry about when they'll eat next.
Free Palestine.
Hunger doesn't stop in their world, but we...
I love me some brassy synths. Always sounds epic. Oh, it's Jersey! This might be the one for me. Was she just crumping? Oh wow, give me those formations. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, they are cool. They're cool as hell. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they are cool. They are super, super cool and super, super talented. I will say this, but I have to repeat it in case there's new people here. For me, when a group debuts, obviously I'm looking for music that, like, you know by now that the instrumental is my priority. I need to vibe with an instrumental first and foremost. In order for me to go back and listen to a song or listen to a group or listen to an artist, I have to like whatever the instrumental sounds like. But when a group first debuts, that changes a little bit. And I don't fully have to vibe with the instrumentals. The number one thing that I'm looking for when a group debuts, the most important thing to me is this group talented, right? Because an artist or a group, as their career goes on, as their discography grows, as they release more music, more MVs, their sound changes. They end up experimenting with different sounds, working with different producers. These types of things change, right? But what we need is we need talent, first and foremost. And they have an abundance of talent, or an abundant amount of talent. Imagine being from England and not being able to speak English properly. Imagine that. Imagine that. Imagine how embarrassing life is for me. But super, super, super talented. And for me, of course, they stood out in the dance department. And I'm not a dancey person. You know me, I'm not a choreography dancey person. But whenever I do see a group or idols that can dance, I'm always just absolutely mind blown. Like, my mind is blown. They were so good. And just great performance, how they were interacting with the camera, with us through the camera, right? All the small little details. And to think that's a group that's just debuted. Those details are things that some groups take a while to get better at. But it's like they've just come out like immediately with that level of talent. Great rappers. Didn't feel like I heard a lot of vocals in order to be able to comment on that. But the rapping was fantastic. We had that one squeaky girl. Her tone was really cool. I do like a squeaky tone. The MVs were cool. I'd say the title track, which I think was called Bad Villain, right? I think the title track, hold on. Bear with me. Yeah, hold on. I'm just looking here so I can maybe like try and rank them for you. Bad Villain was my least favorite. out of all of them, sonically, visually as well. My favourite one, sonically, my favourite track out of the ones I heard was Plus 82. There was just something about that one. I loved like the brass sort of synths. Like I love that. It always sounds epic. It reminds me of sports. Can't explain it, but it reminds me of sports. And if you don't know, I'm a sporty girl. I love me some sports. So it gave me that vibe, and I love like the Jersey beat, a little bit of two-step. And then I'd say my second favourite one was probably BADTITUDE. I love that MV. There was something about just like the colours, the visuals, the choreo in that one. I just felt like it was missing a nice melodic chord here and there. Just give me just one like, like just one little melodic chord. That's all I ask for. It doesn't have to be, don't even need a progression, man. I don't even need a whole chord sequence. Just give me one or two nice little melodic chords. There was one point as well, I can't remember if it was in BADTITUDE or Hurricane, but they were like harmonizing, and it was a really nice vocal moment. I just needed a melodic instrument to, what's the word? To elevate that vocal moment. This is me being picky. This is just me being picky. I'm just reviewing. I'm just reviewing and critiquing. But yeah, my ranking, Plus 82 sonically. I'm just going through sonically. Plus 82, BADTITUDE, Hurricane, and then BADVILLAIN. So I enjoyed BADVILLAIN, but I think it was the least my vibe. I really wish like the other three were just as long as BADVILLAIN. But yeah, I like them and I am excited. I'm excited for what else they're gonna release, what else they're gonna bring to the big old cooking pot of K-pop that we have. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know which one was your favorite. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. I love you. You're gonna follow me on Instagram, guys. You're gonna follow me on Twitter. And yeah, goodbye.